Duffel bag, backseat.
This tip is for nail biting and what you can do to help stop or reduce the habit. Now, for older children, one of the newest types of strategies out there is wearable technology, in particular a smart bracelet that will signal a child when they're going to make the motion of biting. I will put a direct link to this on otkidsmath.com so that you can take a look at this product and its reviews. So using technology can be very effective for some kids, especially if they respond well to technology. And this is especially helpful if someone is doing this unconsciously, because the little smart bracelet will provide a quick signal so that you are reminded to stop. So if you would like to look into the world of wearable technology and what you can do to help with this type of a challenge, this can be very effective.
In my mind, you're a drive real slow.